Alrighty, good day and welcome. My name is Mr. JB and today we are going through another PhotoPea tutorial. Today's is going to be pretty quick. Today I'm just going to show you how to access the free image kind of plug in within PhotoPea. It's directly through Pixabay, so that way you don't have to kind of jump around into different websites. These images are all free to use. They're in the Creative Commons license, so that means you can use them for whatever it is that you want. Now to start this, you want to select Window, go to More, and make sure the gallery is selected. You can click on it here, or you can just select on the little image that's over here on the right, and that will also do the exact same thing. Now in this, you can put in whatever you want. Put in car, for example. It's going to load up a bunch of images related to cars, and these are all, as I said, free to use, so you can use these in whatever you want. They come from Pixabay, and you can drop in as many as you want to do whatever it is that you want. If you want to drop this in so that way you can do something else with it later, that's totally cool. I'm just going to kind of scroll down. I'm just going to grab one. Sure, I'm going to grab this, and it drops in. When you want to end up closing down that menu, you just select the gallery button. Right now, you're not going to be able to see it because my background is above it, and bam. You've dropped in this image, and again, you can drop in as many as you want. These are all free. Do your adjustments, whatever it is that you want to do. Now, you can type in whatever you want. As said, through in that menu, you can type in any type of keyword, ice cream, whatever. You're going to get whatever Pixabay ends up generating, same as if you were on Pixabay. And now you don't have to go to that separate plugin website to end up finding some free to use images for your project. Now with that, that's all that we're covering. It's super quick, super easy to access this free plugin through PhotoPea. As always, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you learned something. Have a wonderful day, take care, and be safe.